Connect the motors to the PCB. There are 4 motor connectors and you need to insert each motor from the upper side to ensure the correct orientation. Once all the 4 motors are connected, it should look neat and properly aligned. Next step, move to the camera connection. Locate the camera connector carefully. Carefully open the latch, insert the camera cable in the correct direction and close it securely. Now it's time for the frame mounting, which is basically the body of the drone. Start by installing the camera into its slot in the frame. Then place the motors into their respective mounting holes so everything fits perfectly. After that, attach the landing gears. There are 4 pieces and you need to fix them using 3 screws. Next step, adjust the camera frame by gently bringing the camera forward for a clear view. Now install the battery holder on the designated side and secure it with screws so the battery stays firmly in the place. So next, moving on to the propellers. Check the arrow marks carefully. Remember the first and third motors use anti-clockwise propellers while the second and fourth motors use clockwise propellers, so match them correctly for the stable flight. Before powering up, charge the battery using the charging module. On one side has a Type-C port and other side is a battery connector. Insert the battery in the correct and while charging the light will be red, turning blue once fully charged. Finally, connect the battery to the drone in the correct orientation and once it is connected, you will see the LED lights on the legs of the drones, confirming everything is working perfectly. And that's it. Your DIY drone is finally assembled.